Hello and welcome to Algebra 1. My name is Megan Brown.
And I'm Amber McNeil.
And we're just going to explain a little bit about what your kiddos go through each day with us in Algebra 1. I just want to introduce myself a little bit. My name is Coach Brown. I am a Midway grad myself. I graduated from Midway in 2007. This is my 10th year of teaching, and this is my 6th year at Midway. And this is also my 5th year at working with Miss McNeil in Algebra 1. So we work tremendously well together, and I've loved working with her. I graduated from A&M Commerce with a math degree, and I also am the girls soccer coach here at the high school. My family, I'm married to my husband for 5 years, and he is also a teacher and a coach. He works at Salado High, where he's the basketball coach. And I have a 3-year-old named Easton, and my baby is a 1-year-old, and his name is Hunter.
All right, and I'm Amber McNeil. I grew up in Denver, Colorado. I went to Baylor University, and that's how I wound up here in Waco. This is my 10th year teaching overall and my 10th year here at Midway High School. My husband and I have been married for 4 years now, and we have one little girl named Annabelle. She just turned 1 year old over the summer.
Just some of the expectations that your kiddos go through each day when they walk into algebra. When they walk in every day, there is an expectation on the TV, which is going to be stated with their warm-up and what they're being asked to pick up to get the day started with. Majority of every single day, we will tape some type of note in class. It is helpful to remember that math requires practice, so the students will have some type of activity that also goes in class. And then we will speak on homework in just a little bit, but we also have quizzes and tests, but those are going to be announced way ahead of time. Students will always know when those will be taking place.
So we would ask that students come prepared for class every day. The main things they'll need every single day is a pencil and an iPad at the minimum. If they would like to keep a 3-ring binder or a notebook or even a folder, we have space in the classroom if they want to keep that here to keep their notes in. Of course, they could take that with them as well, but we do have it available so they don't have to carry that around. We also ask that students would bring a box of Kleenex to help keep our classroom stocked throughout the year. Optional things would include a charging block for their iPad, which is really helpful since we do use the iPad so often in this class, including for their calculator. So we want that charged every single day. And students can also bring hand sanitizer for their own use or to keep in the classroom. And a stylus for their iPad is optional, certainly not required, but a lot of students like to use a stylus to write on their iPad.
Students will receive a short homework every day. We ask that the students work on this homework assignment for 20 minutes at the max. So if they've gotten 3 problems for the day and they've worked for 20 minutes and we can't get all 3 done, we ask that they work for the solid 20 minutes. But we will only be giving 2 to 5 problems at the most each day. Students are expected to have this ready and completed at the beginning of each new class day.
So when we use iPads in class, we ask that students are only using their iPads when we've asked them to, and otherwise iPads should be put away. They should stay on the app required at all times rather than being distracted or playing on something else or even working on another class. During that time, anytime during class, we ask that electronics are stored away. So phones, headphones, smartwatches are not to be used during class time at all for any reason.
Grade categories, students' practice grades will be 30% of their average, applications will be 30% of their average, and tests will be 40% of their average.
We both offer tutorials several times throughout the weeks, or each week. Coach Brown is here in the mornings, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, beginning at 7:55. And I, Mrs. McNeil, have afternoon tutorials Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday until 4:25.
Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions or concerns that you have throughout the year. And we hope that y'all have a fabulous year, and we look forward to the remainder of the year.
Thank you.